Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cabbage with egg full guide. Start by washing and slicing the cabbage, then crack eggs into a bowl and beat them lightly with salt and pepper. Heat oil in a skillet over medium heat, then sauté onion and garlic until translucent. Add cabbage and stir frequently until tender crisp, then push aside to pour in eggs and scramble gently, combining everything before serving. Warm your pan and use medium heat for consistent results and to prevent bitter char. Keep the cabbage moving so it softens evenly while preserving slight bite and color. If you scramble eggs separately, fold them into cabbage at the end for pillowy texture. If you add eggs directly, create a cleared area in the pan so they set quickly and combine evenly with the vegetables. Quick recommendation: if you value a tidy kitchen after cooking cabbage with egg, consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for automated cleanup and voice control convenience. It makes light work of crumbs and small spills, saving you time and keeping counters clear so you can focus on cooking. If that sounds useful, please subscribe and like if you're finding this video helpful, and check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. Seasoning is simple but important. Start light and adjust to taste so the cabbage remains the star. Use salty umami like soy sauce in small amounts, then taste before adding more. A little acid lifts the overall dish and brings balance, so finish with a splash of rice vinegar or lemon juice. Add fresh scallions or sesame seeds for a pleasant aroma and a final layer of texture before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.